A NOR gate means not OR. This means the output becomes high only when all inputs are low. If even one input becomes high, the output immediately becomes low. That is the basic rule of a NOR gate, and this circuit follows that rule using transistors instead of digital ICs. This circuit uses negative logic. Here, -5 volts represents logic high, and 0 volts represents logic low. This is common when using PNP transistors. Ground is 0 volts, and the negative supply provides the operating voltage for the circuit. The main working device is the PNP transistor at the top. A PNP transistor turns on when its base voltage is lower than its emitter voltage. When it turns on, current can flow from the negative supply through the transistor and into the output path. When it turns off, current stops. Each input is connected to the transistor base through a 10 kilo-ohm resistor. These resistors limit the base current and protect the transistor. They also allow multiple inputs to safely control the same transistor without interfering with each other. When both inputs are low, their voltages pull the transistor base downward. This makes the base more negative than the emitter, so the PNP transistor turns on. Current flows through the 1 kilo-ohm resistor and the LED path, making the output high and the LED glow. When any one input becomes high, that input raises the base voltage. Now the base is no longer low enough to keep the transistor on. The PNP transistor turns off, current stops flowing and the output becomes low. The LED turns off. Because any single high input forces the output low, this is an OR action followed by inversion. OR plus not equals NOR. That is why this circuit behaves exactly like a NOR gate. The LED and the 330 ohm resistor show the output clearly. When the LED is on, the output is high. When the LED is off, the output is low. This makes the logic operation easy to see and understand. This circuit is important for engineering students. It shows how digital logic is built from real electronic components. It also demonstrates why the NOR gate is called a universal gate.